Let me show you how you guys can check TikTok violation. You want to click on profiles at the bottom and click on the three line at the top right corner. Then you want to click on settings and privacy at the bottom and scroll all the way down and click on report a problem. Inside here at the top you will see the clock looking icon at the top right corner. Click on it, and every single TikTok report, whether it's reported to you or you have reported someone, it's going to be shown under here. Now since I haven't reported anybody, nothing is being shown here. But let's say if you want to check if you have violated anything or not in TikTok, for that you need to come to your settings and privacy and scroll all the way down again. But this time, instead of report a problem, click on support and click on where it says safety center in the middle and click on account status. And anything which you have violated is going to be shown under here. But since I haven't violated any TikTok guideline, nothing is being shown here. So hope I was able to help you guys with this video. Subscribe to our channel if you want more videos like this.